Thank you.
Once you're comfortable, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
And I mean that is very important.
Yep. Okay.
QNH1011, it's a VFR flight out west, 2 souls on board. It's done everywhere, it's done every time.
So you're communicating the plan first to let them know what you're going to do, your intentions,
Yeah.
and then they can track and...
If we're not back in an hour,
Yeah.
they'll say, okay, what's wrong, where are, they'll call us.
Yeah.
You got stuck behind the shower or something like that. It can happen.
Yeah.
Clear prop.